Welcome to this BoldDesk tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and configure sticky buttons in BoldDesk's LiveChat widget. Sticky buttons keep essential actions always visible in your chat widget, giving customers quick access to the features they need most. For example, an e-commerce widget can display up to 5 persistent buttons, perfect for promoting new discounts, guiding users to FAQs, or letting them create a support ticket instantly. These buttons make navigation effortless and help drive engagement right from the chat window. To get started, let me log in to my BoldDesk account as an administrator. Next, I navigate to the admin module, open the chat section, and select the Live Chat option under Channels. A list of live chat widgets will be shown. Here, you can either add sticky buttons while adding a new live chat widget or editing an existing one. I choose my electronics brand's chat widget and then navigate to the Chat Experience tab. Then, I click to expand the Start Chat Configuration section, scroll down, and enable the Sticky Buttons switch. A section opens where I can add and configure sticky buttons. For my electronics chat widget, I plan to add an Order Viewing button, a button to view FAQs, and a third button to talk to an agent. So, I name the button and set a value. The value you have entered should exactly match the one you created in your workflow. For detailed instructions on how to create a workflow, check out the video linked in the card above. Once done, click Update to push the updated widget live. Now, whenever a customer starts a chat in my RiffWire brand, they'll see a clean sticky button at the bottom of the chat window. When they click it, they receive a message with the link to view FAQs within the chat window. They can click the link and be redirected to the FAQs page. You just saw how easy it is to enable and configure sticky buttons in BoldDesk LiveChat to give your customers instant access to essential actions. If this video helped, please tap the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.